one do I push first? This one.
Yeah, that's full cock. Okay. Then you pull your back trigger. When it snaps, that means your front trigger is set. And then you have a hair trigger. Not on your ramrod. On your forearm. There you go.
You tell I've been out of practice a little. Did it click?
I didn't hear it. There it is.
You're in a 9 ring.
A little short.
Okay, that was 8 at the 9 o'clock position.
Front trigger.
Can I have something to put it up a little bit?
Huh?
Can you lift it up for me? Or
What?
I need something to make this higher.
Okay. Wait a minute. Wait. What's the hair trigger set now?
At 6 o'clock.
There's a half cock.
Woo! Thank you.
7. Touching 8 at 7
Izzy's
o'clock.
on video.
8 at 3 o'clock. 9 at 9 o'clock. Okay, you're good vertically.
There's a John Barnhart special just for you.
Oh, that's better.
You're gonna have to go to full cock again.
Click this back again.
Yeah. Click your back trigger.
I'm really short.
Both sides.
The seat's short or something. I did pretty well.
Looks good. Must have been an accident.